Hi there, I'm Robert and you're watching Suburban Preppers. In today's video we're going to show how to use a regular butterfly can opener. Now I know there's some of you probably thinking, well, I know how to use one. It's a can opener. That's great, but like everything, there's some people who know how to do it and some people who don't. I know how to drive, but once upon a time I didn't. I didn't know how to drive until somebody showed me how to drive, and then I learned how to drive and now I can drive. Same with the can opener. I couldn't use it, I got shown how to use it, I can use it. So for those of you still with us and you want to see how to use the can opener, let's cut over to a regular tin. I've got some hot dogs I want to open, so we'll show you that now. Okay, so for those of you who are not familiar with how these work, basically this bit here hooks in on the top of the can around the rim here. It pierces the top. And then the cog bit here, it catches underneath on the rim here. And then as you rotate the butterfly bit, the cog turns. Hopefully the camera is picking that up. And it rotates around the top of the can. Obviously as this part is pierced in, it pulls all the way around the top of the can. And it opens the can. So let's get the can open and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so hopefully the camera is going to pick it up. So I'm going to get this part just here, hook it over the lip of the can. And then the wheel part, you need to catch it on the underside of the rim. You will feel it as you squeeze, and then when you close the handles together, you'll feel this part, I'll zoom in, you'll feel this part just here piercing the can. And then you get the can open. Obviously, it's a bit difficult to show you from the different camera angles, so hopefully you'll be able to see from there. So that's it there, and now I'm going to squeeze the handles together. And you heard that pierce the tin, and then the butterfly bit, you rotate it, and it spins the can. That cog rotates the can, and because this bit is pierced in the lid, it just rotates the can around and takes the can top off. And that's it. Now again, obviously the can top, it is very sharp. I'll just take this out. Around the rim is very sharp. Be very careful that you don't cut yourself. And there you have it. How to use a basic butterfly can opener. So as always, if you found this video helpful, please do give it a thumbs up. If you've got any comments or thoughts that you wish to share, please do leave them in the comments section below. We are still a small channel. We do take the time to reply to all comments where we see them. And finally, if you're not already a subscriber, please do hit that subscribe button. It means a lot to us, and it also helps the channel grow through the YouTube algorithm. The more views, the more likes, comments and subscribes that the video gets, the more that YouTube decides to show it to other viewers, such as yourself, and the more the channel grows via the algorithm. So with that, I'll say thanks for watching and bye for now.